Now in this lesson, let us try to learn how to use offset command. Where is this offset command? Offset command is located in this modify panel of the ribbon. You can see here, you can see this one. See this? This is offset command. In the older versions, the shape, the sign of the offset command is a little bit different. In 2021, they have changed it. It's a little bit different. Okay. So now here you can see on the computer screen, you have some objects. Let us try to do the offset. How to do the offset? First go and click on the offset command. Offset is just moving, okay? Moving a given object by certain distance. I will just click on the offset command. Now see here in the bottom you can see you have got specify offset distance, or you have got some sub commands. Through is there, okay? Erase is there, layer is there, so many things are there. It has taken 10, it has taken this 10 from the previous values, previous operations. Now what I will do, I will just go, I will type here as, let us say 15. If I type as 15, did I type it? Yeah, I will come here and type it as 15, enter, okay. So now see here, 1 minute, let me redo it. Offset, see 15 is there, okay. I will just write 15, or if I simply enter, it will take the default value. Now the cursor has changed. See here, I will click on this one. If I come on this direction, it will do it this way, okay. Still I am there. I will click on this one, I will move up. I will click on this one, move this direction. 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 See what has happened now. It has moved in the directions by a fixed value of how much? 15. Is this clear? This is one way of doing the offset. So it has only offset the values. Now what I need to do, now I need to escape, or I will just press enter to go out, and then of course I will use the other features to complete this job. Is this clear? What I can do, I can make use of other commands are there, fillet commands are there. See, if I open this one, you have got chamfer and you have fillet, all that stuff. I can use this one to finish this work. Is this clear? So now what I will do now let me come to the circle. I will offset what it is telling, offset through. I will not use through. I will just go here and I will type, let us say 10, enter. Now the circle, see here, circle is a single object. If I am going outside, it will offset by 10. Again I click and come inside, it will offset by 10. Similarly for ellipse also, just go click here outside, same thing. If I click inside, it will come like this, okay. This is one way of doing offset. If the distances are different, let me escape, let me delete this circle and let me delete this circle. Same way I will remove this, I will remove this, okay. So now same thing I will do here. I will just get rid of this, one. I will explain you in the erase command how to do this in a group. I will just press enter. So this is what was there with us. So now I will again go back to this offset command, offset. So here you see you have got through. I will just click on through. When I click on through, now I will select the object, move up like this. See, the distance is moving. So now here I will say 20, enter. Then I will come and select this object. I can move like this. I will say 25, enter. I will click on this object, come down, let us say I want only 10, enter. Then click on this one. Still I am inside the command, 30, enter. This one, click and let us say I want only 10, enter. So what happened here? Now again enter. So I did the offset of the different lines by what? By different distances. You can see here I did it by different distances. Again let me try for this also, offset. Now I will go and click on the sub command through, okay. So now I need not have to enter anything here. I have to select the object. I will select the object. I go like this. See, it is moving out. How much? 25, enter. Now same object you select, still you are inside the command itself because your cursor is still a small square. Click on this one, move inside. You are offsetting through how much? Let us say 30. See there? I have got some other circle over here. Okay. So like this, you can make use of let me escape or let me press enter to come out of the command. Okay, like this you can make use of offset command to offset a given object by any amount of distance. Okay, any number of units. This is one of the benefits of offset command. Of course, I have to complete this one. How do I complete it? We have got fillet commands and we have got extend commands. Okay, so making use of that, you can just do the extension and you can do the finishing. Thank you for watching this video.